The Idaho Department of Health and Welfare is suing Idaho's Attorney General Raul Labrador over his investigation into child care grant funding. The lawsuit was filed today in Ada County. It asked the court to set aside the civil investigative demands from the AG's office. Abby Davis joins us now with a breakdown of what's going on. Abby?
Morgan, the AG's office is concerned about the community grant program. Labrador claims Health and Welfare might have distributed the money incorrectly, but Health and Welfare disagrees. During the pandemic, Idaho received $36 million in Federal American Rescue Plan Act money. That money was for a community partner grant program, a program that helped address learning loss. Idaho's Department of Health and Welfare distributed the grant money to various school districts and organizations working with kids and families. Earlier this month, Attorney General Raul Labrador served civil investigative demands to some of those organizations and Health and Welfare. Labrador claims Health and Welfare might have distributed the grant money incorrectly and demanded the agency turn over all documents and information about the program. Now, Health and Welfare is fighting back. The agency sued the AG's office, saying it didn't violate federal guidelines. Court documents filed on Thursday outline the disagreement. The AG's office claims Health and Welfare might have given community grants to organizations that helped children under 5. It says the grant money was specifically for children ages 5 to 13, but Health and Welfare's lawsuit says differently. Documents show Health and Welfare reached out to the AG's office twice. Once in November when Lawrence Wasden was in office, and once in January after Labrador took office. Both times, the agency asked the AG's office whether it was spending the grant money correctly. And both times, the AG's office said yes. This memorandum Labrador's office specifically sent to Health and Welfare in January says the AG's office found the money could be used for children under 5, as long as it was also used for children 5 through 13. In a statement sent to KTVB on Thursday, the AG's office says the January memorandum was issued with no new legal analysis. It says Labrador never looked the memorandum over, and that if he had, he never would have signed it. The AG's office also said in the statement that Health and Welfare fails to tell the story of its own directors, quote, constantly shifting positions on the grants. Health and Welfare says Labrador's investigation is government overreach. It argues the AG's office does not have authority to launch investigations into how federal grant money is distributed. But again, the AG's statement says Labrador has reason to believe the money was distributed incorrectly. Labrador's office also says they have authority to investigate how the grant money was used under the Charitable Assets Protection Act. So, Morgan, there's a lot of he said, she said right now.
Yeah, there is. And we should also add, Abby, that some of the organizations the AG wants to investigate also filed a separate lawsuit. They filed an injunction against Labrador's office last week, asking him to stop those civil investigative demands. We have a full breakdown of both legal actions on our website, ktvb.com. Abby, appreciate your reporting.